Before traveling with or shipping a machine, the water reservoir must first be drained. With the machine set up to run, connect the drain attachment to the hose. Locate the drain coolant button on the bottom left of the touchscreen. Follow the on-screen checklist and allow the machine to drain either into a vessel or sink as demonstrated. Once drained, power off the machine and disassemble. The bag's respective compartments make packing up simple and serve as a final checklist to ensure all parts are together. The unit, the hose, the power setup, broken down, and drain attachment should all be present and fit neatly in the bag.